Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Got a nice little Haulmark trailer here to show you. It's a tandem axle. They call it the Passport because it comes with the ramp door and it's motorcycle specific. This one is extra height. Normally they're not this tall. It's got aluminum skins on the sides. The actually aluminum diamond plate on the sides and aluminum riveted on skins up top on the smooth sides. It's a V-nose. It's got electric brakes. It does have a little damage right here. You can see that in the picture, but it's just cosmetic. The previous owner put a nice diamond plate panel on the door on the inside. Also painted it Harley black and orange. Put some wood paneling. Nice tie downs. Also some cleats in the rear to tie down, and a wheel chock for the front. It's got a vent overhead. It's got 3 lights, interior lights. It's got a little damage back here on the back fender, but overall it's in really good, solid condition. I'll raise the door up so you can see the back. It's got the Harley Davidson logo on the back. High mount license plate. It's got a little place on the corner. It looks like it might have caught something on that drip rail. But overall a good unit. If you're picking up a motorcycle from us and you want to haul it back in the trailer, man, this would be a good option for you. It's wide enough you could also put a trike in here or a full-size touring bike. And if you have ATVs or other things, other toys to haul, it would do the job as well. This door is a 6-foot opening. And the roof, I'm going to say, is about 6'6". So yeah, if you got a Polaris Razor, maybe one of the S models, not the super wide ones, it should fit. But check us out online. We're Texas Best Used Motorcycles, Mansfield, Texas. We'd love to see this Haulmark trailer or one of our beautiful cars. In fact, we're going to take a little walk in the showroom right now. Got a big Peterbilt, little 56 210, the Jeep LJ. Here's a really nice red 57 Chevy. We have 3 Polaris Slingshots. There's a Razor high lifter. Really nice looking Porsche Turbo. It's got carbon ceramic brakes. Toyota TRD FJ Cruiser. There's a classic Excalibur. A really sharp red El Camino. And a nice little 69 Nova drag car. But check us out. We're Texas Best Used Motorcycles, Mansfield, Texas, and we'd love to do business with you.